Hi all, this is Venkatesh. Welcome to Tech Tip of the Day. Today we are focusing on Excel, so especially on data validation to see if there are any new records in the source, how we can bring automatically in our drop downs. Let's jump into Excel. Okay, here are some sample records. Let me create a data validation. Data, I will go to validation, select list, select the source. Okay, see this is regular where it fixed width. If there are any new records, it doesn't appear. Let's modify this range with some Excel formula. I will use offset formula. Offset has a five components. One is on the range, that's a A2, and we need to specify number of rows. I'm skipping it, and number of columns, again I'm skipping it by just using a comma. And the fourth component is just to check on the height, so I will use counter formula to do that. Counter, check entire A to A, and minus one record to exclude heading, and width will be 1, that's one column. Close the bracket, say OK. So here we have a modified version of our data validation. If I have any new records, that will automatically appear in our validation. This is one way. Let me clear it to give you a second option how we can do alternatively. So change your source itself into table. Go to insert, click on tables, change it as a table, and then you create a data validation. Data validation and change it to list. This is like a regular data validation. So here we have a values, and let me put some new value that will come up automatically without doing anything. Choose which one works for you. Thanks for watching this video. Watch out this page for more such videos. Thank you.